Hello everyone, today we are going to learn German greetings. But before we continue, there is a disclaimer for you. Please read it carefully. Okay, now we are going to continue. So first greeting is hello. It's very simple. Hallo, hallo. Second greeting is goodbye. In German it is called Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. And it's also called choose. Choose. So, but choose is used for the person who are close to you, your relatives, your friends, kids, or like that. Then, when you want to say good morning, you say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. When you want to say good afternoon, you say Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Good evening is called Guten Abend. Guten Abend. So Guten is good and Abend means evening. Good night is Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. So here Nacht means night. If you want to ask how are you, you say Wie geht's Ihnen? Wie geht's Ihnen? Wie geht's dir? In German, there is a formal word for you. It's called Sie. And informal one is called du. So this is why Wie geht's Ihnen is used for formal person. So for example, if you are talking to your professor or any stranger whom you want to show some respect, then it's Wie geht's Ihnen. And when you meet somebody who is younger than you, then you ask them Wie geht's dir? Or even if they are not younger, if you meet your friend who is of same age, or to your husband or wife, you say du. So that's why to them you can ask Wie geht's dir? Wie geht's dir? Now comes how will you reply this? So I am fine is mir geht's gut. Mir geht's gut. So here geht is gen s. It's a combination of gehen and s. So mir geht es gut. So in short, like in English you write in place of do not, you write don't. In the same way, geht's is the combination of geht and s. What's your name? Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? So it's for informal, and formally you ask Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? So how will you reply this question? So translation of my name is Indian Soul is Ich heiße Indian Soul. Ich heiße Indian Soul. So the verb heißen means to be called. To be called. Then if you want to say see you later, you say bis später. Bis später. and später means later, and in the same way spät means late. Bis bald is another variation of this, so bis bald, that means see you soon. Thank you for completing this chapter with me, and yes, you can do it. Viel Spaß beim Deutsch lernen.